Welcome. Welcome to the live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, a trading coach who will be doing a live trading session and live analysis, live discussion about every aspect of trading. Guys, Thursday, very important day because it's week ending, means that the market also will be twisting. So as you have seen yesterday after USD news, there has been a little bit of twist in the market. We saw that after back-to-back 2 days of massive drop on gold, we saw a pullback, but Gbpusd and Usdjpy pairs are crazily bullish. So I will be doing the full analysis now one by one, starting with gold, and then we'll be starting on Gbpusd as well, and Gbpusd, also other instrument that you guys and girls are trading. So before I begin this, make sure you give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't hesitate to ask any question using the live chat. If you have any question, or if you are trading any instrument, also let us know. And I believe that you will be enjoying this live session. Make sure you stick till the end, watch the full, and any trade that you will be opening here, make sure you do the proper risk management so that you are not taking a big risk on a single trade, which is very important. So starting with, first of all, monthly, I will be starting with the highest time frame to see on gold what it is doing. Now, monthly chart, previous months we have seen that gold has made a big long wick candle. This month so far, gold, you can see that with the market open after initial pullback to the upside, we have seen that initial drop. So this month we see that gold in a downtrend. Okay, now this is the monthly candle, remaining 12 days, 18 hours remaining for this candle to close. Is basically, this is the third week, so there will be one more week for this monthly candle to close. What we see that in this candle, this is the resistance line here on gold, and from this level the market had a initial drop and it's on a pullback. And what we can expect on gold, for the price to drop again to create a new lower low. So with that being said, what we can expect on gold, for the price to drop and to create a new lower low. And I think that ultimately we could see that gold is dropping down further to create a new lower low. If we look at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly there is a long wick doji here from the weekly, and with that long wick doji, the market has formed series of lower high in that area. And with that series of lower high formation from the weekly chart, we can see that the price this week, as expected, has broken down. Not now, hi coach. Yeah, I'll talk to you. So after this drop, we can see that the market has gone up, and we have seen that the price now upside. And this upside, for me, this is the weekly chart, I think that it's a pullback. We might see another attempt from the seller. But before that, let's look at the daily chart, because these are higher time frame. We need to look at further lower time frame. Now this is where we are coming to a point where from the daily we can see that gold daily chart, this is the daily impulse, and we see this correction on the daily time frame. What we see in that small correction on the daily, we can see that the price has, what we see in that zone, that the price has from the daily has gone up. Let's look at the Fibonacci level here on the daily. We look at the Fibonacci, we can see that, you see, after crossing that 38.2% Fibonacci level, after 38.2% Fibonacci level, what we can see, gold, this is the Fibonacci level, the minimum Fibonacci level. And after this minimum Fibonacci level, we see primarily the price is coming down. And with that drop, now the most important question is, either gold is resuming its trend, or it is again dropping down. Now for me, the most important point here is the trend, okay, because the trend is always your friend as long as you are trading, which is the most important part. So let's delete that part on the Fibonacci thing, and let's see where the market is trying to be heading. Now I will be looking at the 4-hour. Now from the 4-hour, we have seen that the market has gone up, crossed that 20 EMA, and after crossing that 20 EMA, we can see that gold has reached that level to this zone, crossed the 20 EMA, and we can expect for the price to come down to create a new lower low. So this is where we can see this is the support and resistance here in that area. And let's see that 1-hour chart to see how the market is doing. Now from this 1 hour, we have seen a very sharp bullish move to the upside. Now at this point, it is locally showing bullish, but today we saw that with the market open, the market started to again change its trend. Now at the moment, you can see locally it is showing bearish. There is a double top formation breakdown, a narrow pullback, another breakdown, narrow pullback, and we can expect now gold to come down to create, I think that if we see that now the price gathered the liquidity from the top, then we can look for selling opportunity. Today's daily level, this is the today's daily resistance level. Let me draw all of them so that we know exactly where we are in relation to the lower time frame and higher time frame. Now here is the point. If it break down again, we might see that gold again coming to the daily support level. Okay, so this is where it is. It's all about the bigger picture, you know, because if you look at this market from the higher time frame and from the lower time frame perspective, then you will understand what is bigger picture. All right, so what is a bigger picture? In fact, it's a very important point, right? Because bigger picture is the key in everything, not only in trading. You see that when you look at bigger picture on your personal life also, that helps. Guys, did you smash the like button? I see that like and view is very disproportionate. Give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, and I appreciate your support to the channel for everything that you are doing to the channel. I really appreciate, and I'm here to give the best in me. And you know that last week I have posted a very important strategy video on ATR. Probably you guys have seen that I got a very good feedback on that. This week also I will be posting another valuable content that will help you. Definitely you will not find this kind of education anywhere, so make sure you do that. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel, press that bell notification. Now let's looking at the bigger picture. So why you need to look at the bigger picture? Because look, there is a very important point that I will discuss, will really help you in your journey in trading, because it's all about the understanding how things happen. See, bigger picture is an integral part of everything. Why? Because you know how the brain works is, if you look at brain, then what we look at in one aspect in our life reflects on the other aspect of our life. For example, what do I mean by this? Let's say you are afraid of dogs, very afraid, or cat. Okay, you have a very phobia on this thing. Now you'll see that you'll be afraid to go to your boss to ask for a pay rise. You see, because it's reflecting in the other side. So it's one dimension of our life reflects on the other side. That's why you'll see that in kids, if you have ever gone to the park with the kids, you will see that there's a lot of obstacle that kids need to overcome when they are playing on the playground. Why? Because that's how the brain trained to overcome that obstacle that reflect on the other side. They become more challenging, they become more enthusiastic in taking the challenge, and it reflect in their work. That's why you'll see that the kids who are very good at sports, they do good at work because it's reflect on the other side. So similarly, when you look at the bigger picture in everything, you can look at the bigger picture on the chart also. It reflects, because there is only one brain, but that act in all aspect. And that's why you'll see that sometime if you do any kind of focused task, for example, doing any kind of slowly need to focus, for example, sometimes meditation helps. So how does the meditation also helps in being patient? Is because the same theory applies. So if you look at so how does, there's sometimes a misunderstanding about meditation. So what is meditation? Let me tell you. Say the meditation is when you sit down and then you just give attention to the breath, right? So what do you do? What does this mean? So let's say someone sit quietly and then he just look focused on the breath. So what does it mean? That say he just focus on the breath is going up, inhale, exhale, going up and down, only focus on that, right? So when focus on that point in a single pointedness, the brain creates a muscle memory. Okay, so there is a neuro pathway is created. So that's a big healing for anxiety and depression also, because all anxiety means that we are worrying about the future that even not exist there. All depression is where we are worried about the past that has been gone and may not come, right? So when focusing on the breath, that means that you are in the present moment and bringing that attention to the present moment, and you are creating a muscle memory in your brain that you can use, that the same muscle memory will be reflected on the task, on the work, on your trading, and everywhere. You become patient more and more. So that's the same muscle memory that you can use for building the muscle. Like if you go to gym and do the dumpling and barbelling and whatever you want to do, the same muscle memory that bring that patience, and you become very strong, good at it. So this is the same thing. That's why pardon me guys. So looking at bigger picture is very essential to see the overall picture in everything. Okay, so now looking at that from that perspective, if you look at gold, bigger picture is downtrend. So now we see that the market has gone up to this level, where what I am expecting on gold to gather the liquidity that we need and then to drop down. If it does, we will keep eye on these daily levels for today, and any bearish price action we will be entertaining for selling from that level. So as soon as we will find that, we will be looking for that entry opportunity. I believe that guys, you are enjoying this live session. If you're enjoying, we'll jump on to now on Gbpusd. If you're not enjoying, let me know, smash the like button, and let me know what could be the best way to make it more and more enjoyable. So let's look at Victor. Good morning, Victor. Thank you very much. How are you doing? I'm good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are well done, Victor. Please, what's your analysis on GJ? Victor, the analysis will be on GJ. We'll be looking at that. Thank you, and good morning. Morning, sir. Skull, yeah, GJ, thanks you very much. Okay, so what do you think mean by am I talking the fake accent? So what do you mean by that? That's not the proper language, I think. Accent cannot be fake. Morning, sir. Thank you very much. Have some respect while you are here. Sure. Look, I welcome Manu. There's a saying in a very famous book saying that the master who welcomes all. So I welcome everyone. Either you are my critic or you are my well-wisher. Thank you for being here. So have some. Okay, thank you very much. So what you are not giving swing trades? Yeah, crazy gamer. Yeah, there is a swing trade. Yeah, in the live we do, but in the VIP group I do share all the swing trades also. Definitely I will look at that, and thank you. Stay with gold. Yes, USD CAD. Please finish your analysis on first. Can you give analysis on US30? Yeah, absolutely. We'll be looking at that. Thank you for being here. So let's now look at on GBPJPY. So now let's look at looking at the daily chart on GJ. What we see that from the daily perspective, if you look at this market on GBPJPY, what do we see? That this is a very strongly bullish market. Now with that bull market, now let's quickly look at the bigger picture on GJ, and then we'll be looking at the smaller picture. Looking at the monthly chart on GBPJPY, what do we see? That this is a huge impulsive move here on GJ from the monthly, and with that move the price has formed a consolidation pattern, and with that we saw there is a breakdown here with this long candle. This is the monthly candle that we discussed before also. It's a big fake down here, and with that fake down from this level of support, we can see that the market has broken to the upside with this monthly impulse, and looks like that it's gonna push up, and we might see that GJ ultimately breaking all this high to create a new higher high, as it has formed a complete price action pattern here. Now if we look at the weekly chart, what we can see that from the weekly, a strong bullish candle followed by a middleman, and this week we saw that from this level there is another impulsive move to the upside. If we look at the daily chart, what we can see that from the daily is a big impulse, narrow correction, another impulse, deeper correction, and we see another impulse. So GJ looks very aggressively bullish at the moment, and I think that it's gonna keep pushing high. So this is a very strongly bull market. From the 4-hour previous session, after NY session, we saw a big long wick. This is a perfect bullish candle, and from this zone we saw the market started to move up, and it keep pushing high on that market. So from the lower time frame, we saw that here after quite a few times of manipulation, GBPJPY has made its another move to the upside, and what I think that it's gonna keep pushing high and high. So any pullback on this, we'll be looking for buying opportunity on GJ. Any pullback will entertain us for potential buying opportunity. Let's see how far it is doing, and in the meantime for us today in this session, let me draw today's session's possible level that we will be looking to. trade. Now this is the 4-hour candle. You can see it's closing in 59 minutes. Now this is the support on the 4-hour, and with that support on the 4-hour, any drop below this level we will be looking for buying on GJ, and I'll see how it does, and we will be looking for entry. And any drop either above this level or breaking this low will give us that entry. I will be looking for bullish opportunity after any kind of liquidity grab. So let me know if you are agreeing with my analysis. If you are not agreeing, also let me know. We'll be looking for that. All right, so thank you for joining the live session, and yeah guys, make sure that you smash the like button. And also you know, there are two things we can do. There is a very important universal law that will help you really to understand what it is. See, according to let me explain a very important law from this comment. I have got a very important point to look at. Is, you see that we talk about the fear in trading, right? So what is a fear? Let me tell you. So what is fear? This is a very important point, guys. What I am talking is from a very fundamental energetic perspective that will change your understanding about everything. And if you know this secret, also it will help you to manifest anything you want in your life. So what is a fear? Fear is an energetic state. So what is the opposite of fear, right? It's a very important point, right? It's a courage. And now you might say, okay, I have fear, I don't have courage. Wrong. If you have fear, you have courage also. So how does it work? Let's say you have a glass of ice block. In a glass, there are block of ice. Okay, these are ice block. So if you say that I have fear, I don't have courage, that means you are saying that I have a glass of ice block but I don't have water. It's same thing. So then if I give you a glass of block of ice and tell you that you don't have water, will you believe it? You don't say, no, I have water, I just need to give a little bit of heat on it. Similarly, the fear and courage, the same thing, is just in the degree of energetic. See, if you have studied physics in the past, you know that when, let's say, if you look at a molecule, how does it organized? Very simple. In school, it's very easy, right? This is the nucleus and the electrons. Okay. So electrons revolve around the nucleus, give energy to it, it will change the orbital and it will go back to the other orbital, right? Because each orbital has a different degree of energetic vibration in it, right? So because if you give heat to the electrons will vibrate with a higher frequency and it will change the orbital to the other place, right? And it's keep doing that. Similarly, when you give heat to the ice, the electrons will start to vibrate, and because it will displace its position, the metals, the molecules will go far from each other, and the ice turn to water, and give more water, it turns to vapor. So you still have all the waters that you need. Similarly, when you have a courage, you have a fear, you have a courage too. Love and hate, same thing. Okay, so if someone say that if someone has a hate, then she also have love also. It's just the degree in the vibrational energetic state. Let's say if someone has a hate, that means that he or she in a very lower state of energetic frequency, like the fear and courage. So what just need is, if someone has a hate, that means he or she has a love also. So what he or she need is just a little bit of energy, not energy, it's putting it to the upside, so that the hate turns into love, the way the fear turns into courage. So it's very important. This is how everything can be manifested. And the people who are high achiever, there is no difference between the people who are in a very difficult situation in life to the people who are very good at only in the degree of their quality of the energy. So it's the same thing. The only thing that you need is to take care of your energy so that it goes up and vibrate with a higher frequency, like the water turns into, the ice turns into water, the electrons change the orbital, and one turns into the different person to manifest anything that he or she wants. So with that being said, let's look at, let's keep eye and growing as a trader, going with the higher state. So this is also, it's called also the work of inside, because we cannot deny anything that is outside of us. Everything is inside us. Okay, so everything what we see outside also available inside us. So that means that when we see fear outside, then we also have the courage inside. So let's now look at on that GBP/JPY. Looking at the GJ here, what we see, there is a long wick candle here, and we have drawn the level. I'll redraw it because there has been too much drawing in the chart, and let's see how it does. Okay, now alright guys, hope that you are enjoying the live session. I will be looking the next part, and I really appreciate your support to the channel. Give a big thumbs up if you like it. Yeah, gold, yeah, we'll be looking at that. Thank you. 18830, good position to buy GJ. Victor, GJ, we will be waiting for a pullback, and then because it's already a strongly bull market, thank you Tony, you are welcome guys. And let's look at now, we'll be looking at now on, we have looked at the gold and GJ. So gold is in a local downtrend, that could be even a global downtrend, because the market has reached that level. I think that gold, I think we might see another spike before dropping down, or even making it as a fake down and then going back up, which is less likely. I think we might see finally again another drop, but before that, you see the market is in a level where this is consolidating. I will be waiting for the price to give us better entry opportunity in that area, and then we'll be looking for that entry. So at the moment, you see back-to-back 2 hours red candle. We'll be waiting for a pullback, and then we'll be looking for that entry opportunity. All right, so now in that point, what we see, let's look, this is the gold chart, we'll leave that on, and let me see some other pairs. WTI, I had a trade yesterday on WTI. It was a very quick trade. Have opened in the copy account which is running. So WTI, I think it's gonna be keep pushing high. If you look at the daily, it's WTI looks like that it had a breakout. Today with this, you see there is a daily bullish candle with a gap opening. WTI looks to me that it's gonna push high, because if you look at the bigger picture on WTI, looking at the monthly chart, we can see that from the monthly perspective, it's a bull market. And with that bull market, what we can expect WTI to, it's a long-term bear market, pardon me guys. So we see that there is a big drop on WTI. Now we see the market slowly picking up to a bullish position. Now if we look at the weekly chart, what we can see that from the weekly, a strong bounce to the upside. Now with that bounce, what we can see on WTI is for the price from the support level bouncing up, and I think that we could see that it keep pushing high. If you look at the daily chart, there is a gap opening here, and we can see that with this big move there is a gap and there is a long wick here. Highly likely, what I think that WTI is pushing high. What's happening? Something is happening. My hand, guys, can you hear me? I see something is something happened here. 1 second. Big one. As I hope that you can hear me. There is some I just need your assistance. Let me know if you can hear me, guys and girls. Okay, thank you. Sir, are there any trades? Yes, absolutely, we'll be looking at that. Morning. Thank you. Awesome. Cool. Okay, so now WTI, if we look at the 4 hour here on WTI, this is a, you can see the market has formed series of higher low and form a typical inverted head and shoulder. Okay, now I have a question for all of you guys. Do you have any confusion about head and shoulder or inverted head? It's a very older price action pattern. Many of you are very aware of this or understanding, but do you know that how to trade head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder? Yes, we hear you. Thank you very much. Okay, so looking at WTI, we can see that this is an impulse correction, and you see that it's maintaining because it has broken out of that inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so how can you find if that head and shoulder is valid or not? Very good question. Let's get to that point. Okay, how can you find an inverted head and shoulder is valid or no? Now, first of all, you don't have to validify or validate a head and shoulder. The only thing that you need to know is if the price has reversed from that head and shoulder with a liquidity gap. You can note that down here so it will be easy to understand. I'll give you an example now. I'll also create separate YouTube video on that, so that make sure you stick to the channel by subscribing, so you can note that down. The only thing that you need on a head and shoulder is to check if the price has tested and grabbed liquidity from the top of neckline. Okay, so that's the main point here on when you are trading on head and shoulder. So when you see a head and shoulder, check this point, that if the price has tested and grabbed the liquidity from the top of the neckline, number one. Number two is see, okay, these two notes, see if head and shoulder is encouraging you, it's like a human, you to go with the trend. Okay, now these are the two very important point. So for example, when you see a head and shoulder has formed and encouraging you to take a trade in the major direction of the trend, that's a very good head and shoulder. So these are the two, you can say, the validation for head and shoulder to trade. So now let me give you an example. Let's say this one here on WTI. This is a good head and shoulder that I would say I have traded. So if you look at this one here, what do you see? See this market. The market was forming series of higher low. So when you see series of higher low, it's an uptrend. Okay, so here is in an uptrend. So the trend is up. What do you see? A complete inverted head and shoulder, right? The next element that we talk about, that you need to have an element of liquidity grab from the neckline. Where is the neckline of this head and shoulder? You can identify the zone here. See this red candle? It has crossed 1, 2, 3 sessions low, 4 sessions low, and closed above with this long wick candle, which is in fact a very strong liquidity grab. So you found all of them and then traded. Okay, so this is what, when you look at a head and shoulder, the fake one, the one that is not, you'll see that it formed in the, it will encourage you to take a trade against the trend, which is not considered as a good head and shoulder, or to judge it anyway, not in other areas. So now let's look at gold. You can judge the chart, no problem, because there is a candlestick pattern only. So if you look at the gold here, what we see that looking at the daily chart, if you look at daily, what do we see in that area? This is the daily resistance as we discussed, and here is also doing the same thing. If you look at the 15 minutes, you see there is a reversal pattern. You can call it as a head and shoulder also, because it formed that pattern and a breakdown. So this is what I was telling in a couple of minutes ago, that we need to look at the market has gathered enough liquidity for this potential selling in this market. Okay, so we'll be looking for that liquidity grab, so that we know that this is a valid reversal pattern, and then it is encouraging to trade against the in the direction of the major trend. The major trend on gold is down. How do you know? Look at this chart here. You see, this is a like this. When you look at a bigger picture, so bring the chart, the whole picture, so that you understand it, where is the major, and you see what happened. You see it's forming that series of lower high, which is basically a major direction of the trend is down. You see, this is a support level. Can't draw exactly, but I draw this. So the major trend in gold is down, right? Now either this is the point that you want to return back, or it wants to go up further, which is less likely. I think that we'll see very soon that gold is respecting this level here. And you see, this is the, that's why bigger picture is very important. We look at the resistance, a big drop from here to the support, also the resistance, big drop to the support, and we see that same level, resistance, and we can expect a drop to the support. So the major direction is down. Let's look at the now lower picture. Now 15 minutes, you see this kind of, this is an imbalance here. How is that? And that imbalance will give us some hard time if we sell from here. So we need to look at the price has gone up, feel that imbalance, especially if it breaks this swing high and then gather the liquidity, then we can look for that selling opportunity on gold. My bias is to the downside. How's it going, guys? Hope that you are enjoying the live session. Can you give a thumbs up? And also I want to know, guys, because this time is in my zone, it's in the afternoon, very good time, lovely afternoon. Where is your location and how is your weather at the moment? Are you in summer or winter? I want to know you guys are where you are from, so that I have more understanding about your timing and zone and area. So can you let me know which city or country you are from? Especially the country will be easy to understand, and also your timing, so that I have a very good understanding of your timing and location, so that I can organize in that way all the time. So it will be good to know that if you let me know. Okay, so now gold, we have found that level. Let me see that GJ. Oh, GJ is just bouncing off that level. We see that GJ bullish price action here. Let's see if we have any kind of entry. Okay, 5 minutes, a big bull candle. Can you trade here? So where is the news coming later today? GJ gonna be very crazy. Forex factory, if we go to that. So 6 p.m. coming up today. Friday. Come on. Big bounce on that. So gold is, and GJ going the other way around. So GJ is having a bounce. So there's a 5 minutes bullish candle followed by a middleman. How many pips here? So in just 1.5 an hour later, there's a news coming up. Very aggressive bullish on GJ. The news coming. So I will be opening a buy on GJ for a very quick trade. As the news coming, we might see very volatile with only 10 pip stop loss, and we'll target first 10 pip on that. Okay, and then we'll be moving the stop loss. Maybe we can take 50% out of the table. So it's going very fast. Okay, I think we see that a pullback. It's a time for that move now. I'll be putting my stop loss below this level. I'll be also sending the same trade. Also, I'll be opening in my account. So we'll be taking profit as soon as we see that move. I'll put at 50 stop loss. So I want to put my stop loss at 50 just for safety. So GJ will quickly pick a couple of pips here. Right, so we are up a little bit. Give a shout out, guys, what I'm doing. We see bounce, and let's pick couple of pips, guys, couple of pips. Right, enjoying, moving up. Give a feedback. This is the channel where you will be learning and growing as a trader. And there's a giveaway. There's a giveaway at the end of this session. Let me know if you ready for it. There's a giveaway. We are up on GJ, and I'll tell you when I am taking profit. So stay tuned, guys. There is a giveaway at the end of this session. So every day there will have some giveaway. I have decided to make more and more, give more and more contribution to the community. We are up on GJ. Stay tuned with the trade and give a feedback. Make sure you do the risk management. Okay, up and hitting the TP. Almost nearly there, guys. Nearly there. TP hit, smash it now. Big move, guys. Some of you probably, I'm still holding in my account on GJ. Big TP hit. Big TP hit on GJ. There is a giveaway. Don't leave. There is a giveaway. Let me know if you have hit TP. Why this one is not hang somehow? Guys, confirm me on the live chat that you have TP hit. Thank you, morning. Thank you very much. You are good. Yeah, thank you for that. You guys also awesome. We had a massive trade on GJ. 750. Awesome, crazy. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is what it is. In this channel, we will be making money. This is how you see how much time I took to take the trade, because it's all about understanding the trend. In addition to the market sentiment, what's happening, news coming, and how the price action is doing, it's all about that, guys. Okay, so now it's time to give away. Now, as I mentioned before, that I have a big giveaway for you guys. Stay tuned. Let me organize that. So, as I mentioned before, I have a big so let me bring that up so that you guys know exactly. So we have developed our one of the best indicator that I have made in my whole life is our EI, or engulfing intelligent indicator, as well as the automated system, available now for all the VIP members in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So which if I bring that up just to show you how it worked is, let me bring that. So there is a giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned there. Now, bringing to that, our if I bring up that, you see that this EI indicator will give a great trade alert, and also all the, you see that this trade given the alert has a big move to the upside, and this is a liquidity, and also yeah, we have two important tool to give away, and which is currently I'm giving away to the VIP members. So if you guys are in the community also, I want to give it to you. So to do that, I have created 5 positions for joining the lifetime access plan with 80% off only today. So you can join today, and then as soon as you are on the VIP group, just let me know so that I can give you the giveaway, that indicator as well as the automated system. So let me create that coupon for you for with 80% off on lifetime access membership, and where you can join and get all the tools completely for free access from us, and you will be here for lifetime. So I have 5 positions to give away with 80% off on the lifetime access of Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So let me create that coupon. There will be 5 plays only, so don't miss out. I'll give it to you now. With that celebration of JJ, let's be part of this, where I want to see all of you here trading with me in the live market every day in the VIP group. And also I'll be teaching the strategy that I've just traded, Gbpusd, and also that I am trading every day. I'll be teaching that strategy as well. So let me find out what will be the one with 80%. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed this big trade, and let's keep trading in that way and get ready for the giveaway coming up. I don't know why it's taking so slow. Sorry. So I think the GJ will push up. Okay, done. So this is a $300 coupon on top of what currently going on. So guys, as soon as I will paste it, it's gonna be ended. I'm telling you, before in the past time I have got a giveaway and later everyone came, but unfortunately it was ended because the number is limited with the coupon. So as soon as you find it, I'll give you the website address and I'll tell you how to join. Because after it's ended, if you come back to me, I may not be able to give you for this week. Maybe later it will come. So I'm going to give the coupon right now. I have given you, it's $300 coupon, and once you get the coupon, just visit the website. Let me give you the website address. So giving you the website, so it's only 5 places. This is the website address. Once you are on the website, click join now button and you will be able to join with this 80% off with Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Let me give you the website address. So this is the website. I have given you the website. Once you are on the website, click join now button and you will be able to join. And once you are here, you can learn the strategy that I am trading. And also you can be part of the trading community where you can access all the trading tools that I have, and also you can have all the strategy, can learn from me, and also you can access all the robots and all the indicators that currently develop. The most important one is the EI and liquidity robot and indicator that is I'm trading every day. So this is the website. Once you are on the website, click join now button. Once you click join now button, go to the lifetime access, use that $300 coupon additional Just join for the lifetime to access everything for free this week, available for lifetime members, everything for free. So only 5 places. So as soon as you this 5+ spots gone, you have to wait for another week to get another giveaway, or maybe month, depending on when spots available. So thank you for joining. Not working. Let me see why not working. Maybe still not saved. 1 second. Should be working. Let me update. Let me update. Let me update. This is instant giveaway. That's why it was not prepared. It should be working. Should be working, guys. Let me update it. Oh no, wait, that coupon, this is the new coupon, not this one. I'll remove that. I have given a new coupon. That coupon was not full number. This one is the correct number, so you can use that. You can use that now. Okay, so this, not this one, the not the previous one, guys, apologies. So this is the correct coupon. I'm giving it to you. Use that. There is a 5 spots only available. So I have given you the correct coupon, S7A. This is the correct coupon. Only 5 spots left for the giveaway. So use that S7AGD5UP. I have given on the screen. This is the correct coupon has given, which is only 5 places with 80% off today. And then once you are here, you can access all the auto trading tool as well as the indicators that currently I'm using for my trading to make consistent profit from the market. So don't miss out, as I am also trading in my live account, also in all my accounts that I'm trading every day, sending the trade. So let's keep growing as a trader, and this is the live correct coupon given. Don't miss out. This is rare giveaway that I'm giving it away today. So use that, and in the meantime, give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, press that bell notification so that you are not missing out every single day. This is $300 worth of coupon to join with us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, and don't miss out to subscribe to the channel. So news coming up, we could see that good move on GJ. We see that it has broken out of the monthly resistance level, and we could see it's keep pushing high and high. So with that said, let's keep pushing for another trade coming up. Okay guys, so I hope that you're enjoying the live session. Give a big thumbs up. We see that GJ is still pushing high. So if you are finding value in this channel, don't miss out to subscribe and press that bell button. So I want to see that everyone have done that. And in the meantime, there is a 80% off only. Thank you very much. I have given that coupon, which is the $300 worth of coupon to join lifetime access with us, where you can access all the trading tool this week, which is completely for free to use, all of them, all the auto trading, all my strategies automated. It's available for you. Good morning. Yeah, I think that it is still might be going up. So let's see where is my next entry. For if there is anything, we might be able to find another entry, so don't miss out here. Let me see if we can find another entry on gold, as the news coming up on GJ, it might make the gold also volatile. Okay, now if we look at gold, now GJ has made that move. I think that it's gonna keep pushing high. I believe that you guys enjoyed this trade. Still not working. Should be working, Andy. I have checked. Use it only on the lifetime access, so then it will work. Andy, if you're using on the lifetime, it will work. So now the new one should be working. The new S5AGDP. So S5AGD5UP. So the correct word is S7AGD5UP. Let me give it on the description of this video. So the coupon that I'm giving, so you can I have given the description of this video at the top of this video on the description, so you can find it. Let me bring that up. So once you go to the below this video on the description, you can copy from here. This is the coupon that this is not $100, this is a $300 giveaway. So you can copy from here below this video. Once you go to the first video, S7AGD5UP, so you can use that to get access. So once you sign up, send me an email, info@forexwizard02, to give you the access and everything. Just send me a quick email. Forex trading. So I've given an email. You can email me. Once you sign up, email me at info@forextradingwizard.com to give you the full access to everything. Though you will receive an automated email, but in case if you want to contact me, email me at info@forextradingwizard.com. Then I will give you the full access to it. And let's see what's happening now at the moment on GJ, what it is trying to do. I think that it's created a big move to the upside as the news coming in just an hour. We could see it's going up and up. So I'm expecting it to go around 189 level with this news spike. It might go back to 189 level on GJ. So I just have seen that Denman clean. So I got an entry. Few entries. One of them is Denman clean, DNAMCCLEN. Welcome to us. And still few spots left, so you still can access to that. It's gonna be ending probably before the live session. It's gonna go. So use that new coupon given and then join me. Once you are here, just let me know so that I can give you access to everything. And also as a lifetime member, you will be guided by me all the time for everything. You will have a direct contact with me. So don't hesitate to join me today with this additional discounted coupon given to you. Now let's see gold, what it is doing. Gold, you can see that with the strengthening on GJ. Gold we see a little bit in a sideway, but here this is the 1 hour candle, 30 minutes candle looks to me bullish on gold. We might see now that bounce up again. We could see that move on gold, which is probability to happen at the moment. 30 minutes showing a bit of bullish momentum, but I'm not entering at the moment on gold. Let's see what's happening with GJ again, just to see that with the news how the market is doing. I think GJ, with the news coming up, we could see another impulse to the upside, which the price is forming in the pattern here. This is a very strongly bull market, and I think it's gonna keep pushing high and high. Okay, so you see that GJ is keep pushing high, and we will be observing the price action. We had a massive trade on GJ. I will keep trading in that way, and as progression with the session, I will be coming on live again. I believe that guys you enjoyed this live session, and thank you for joining here. Don't hesitate to subscribe and press that bell button. And with the upcoming NY session, I'll see you there again, trading together live. And keep learning, growing, keep the profit in your account by not over trading. Until that, stay well, stay happy. I'll see you. For those who already joined, make sure you contact me after the join for all the access to the tools and everything. If you don't have my contact detail, my team will contact you with your email. But in case if you still want to directly contact, info@forextradingwizard.com. That's the email, info@forextradingwizard.com. Send me an email, though as soon as you join, our team will contact you with all the details, but in case not, you can still contact. Thank you, and I'll see you very soon in the next live. Until then, stay well, stay happy.